guys, welcome to 5th period physics. Yay! Today we're going to be learning about inertia as soon as the class gets here. What's up, Mr. B? Hey guys. Alright kids, today we're going to be talking about Newton's
So what
first...
are we learning today, Mr. B?
If you would have let me finish, I would have said, go sit back down. Thank you. I know I seem a little bit tense today, guys, but it's only because I love you. I love you all, my heart and soul, my brain, my everything. Yeah, really. Okay, guys, inertia. Does anybody know what inertia is? Something about physics? No, sit down. Get it up for today. Okay, guys, so no one knows what inertia is. I guess we're going to bring in Isaac Newton, because why are you standing?
I know what inertia is.
What's inertia?
It's something about physics.
Sit back down. Don't give the same answer twice. Okay, guys, we're going to bring in Isaac Newton to tell us what inertia is. Welcome.
Hello class! How's everyone doing today? No, thank you. I don't need applause. Hello, lovely two ladies. What am I to say? Okay, I am Isaac Newton, and I'm here to explain today what inertia is. Inertia is the tendency of an object not to accelerate. Now, does anyone know what that means?
I know what it is. In simpler terms, it's the first law that says when you don't apply force to an object, then that object will not move. Isn't that right, Mr. Einstein? Newton.
Of course that's correct. Good for you.
Okay, class, does anyone know any examples of inertia? What's up, guys? So, an example of inertia, well, we just learned this today, so this is coming from the top of my head. So, like, when you got tug of war, and when both teams, pull with equal but opposite force, the knot is at rest, but when a team on the right applies a greater force, the knot accelerates to the right. Very good, Kami. You two over there have any ideas or any examples of inertia?
We would have done the tug of war example, but we kind of don't have our ropes or arms.
We came up prepared today. So this come down to this.
I have an example.
Well, let's hear it, Albert Isaac Newton.
Okay, I have this friend named George and he went fishing once. And he was like, why isn't my fishing net working? And you know what I told him?
What did you tell?
I told him that he doesn't have a fishing net. But he didn't realize that the fishing net acted as an external force to accelerate when the bait was caught on the hook.
Oh, tell us more.
Well, until an equal and opposite external force is applied, the net force is zero. Therefore, he could not have brought up the fish without the line.
That makes perfect sense. Let's move on to something else while you're here. I want to use you as much as I can.
What else are we going to learn today, Mr. B?
Yeah, man, we got like 5 minutes left in the bell. Can we just do nothing? What are you kids talking about? Learning is essential for your health and your education.
Hello, kids. Right now, Mr. V has went on a short lunch break, so I will be taking over today's class lesson. And so we will continue with magnetism. Does anyone know what that is? Okay, magnets have to do with forces liking each other and not liking each other.
I know something about magnetism. On a magnet, one end of the magnet is south and the other one is north. When two poles are alike, they repel. And when two poles are not alike, they attract.
So basically, if one person is ugly and one person is beautiful, they get together. What she was talking about before has a little something to do, well, actually a lot to do with magnetic fields. Does anyone know what that is?
I know what it is. A magnetic field. You know that interaction between charged object can be described as an electric field. Well, it's the same thing to describe magnetic fields surrounding any magnetized material. And the direction of the magnetic field.
Whoa, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I think that's a little too much to confuse the children.
Can anyone tell me what Roy G. Biv means?
R is for red and O is for orange, Y is for yellow and T is for
Yellow
green.
and green.
B is for blue and I is for indigo and V is for violet colors.
Colors.
Yay!
Remix!
I know it means, Mr. Newton.
Did you know force equals mass times acceleration? Did you know force also equals work over distance? Did you know that force is measured in intense? Yeah, I didn't think so. You didn't know.
Hey, Kevin.
The best thing ever, yo.
You just interrupted my monologue.
You didn't know. Learn about physics is the best thing ever, yo. P is K right before it hits the flow. Just by a song you tell physics students roll.
Fill out the shirt.
And now you know. Yeah.
Really?
Never stop,
Obese,
man.
young,
Unless an outside force would act
German.
upon us pain. And it's funny because whenever we
There's one
it's
end
the same on
at the
the
south
topic.
pole and the other at the
Velocity is impulse, but time is momentum.
What's up, Mr. B?
Physics students and team were from somewhere
Hey,
in
Mr.
the square square.
Alright, no, just do two
Power is
hands.
equal
I know.
to force over time. To not take physics honors would be a crime. Potential energy is weight times height. The unit used to measure it is joules. Alright?